Good morning. It's August 1st, and Mr. Trump's tariffs are going into place. At least some of them. I think he's delayed a bunch again. But his tariff rate against Canada is going into place. 35% on Canadian products Americans want to buy. Americans want these products. That's why they buy them. But Mr. Trump is stopping Americans from doing what they want. Why? Well, on the surface it's to bring back manufacturing. But in reality, I believe it's nothing more than Mr. Trump expressing power. He just likes to lord over people. He likes the expression of power in any form, for any reason, at any time. But why is somebody like that? Why is somebody so concerned about having power, being dominant? Because they're frightened, because they're scared, and they need protection. If you look at Mr. Trump's presidency and his behavior, and you look at it from a psychological point of view, he's like an open book. His psychology is driving everything. His bad psychology, unfortunate psychology, driving everything. And the American people, what's the matter with you? For, 50 years, my entire life, all I've heard from America is democracy, democracy, democracy. As if they are the kingpin of democracy in the world. Well, they're not. Clearly they're not. I had to listen to this yapping from Americans all my life. And now when the chips are down, there's nobody there to stand up. Nobody. Well, Canada's standing up. We're standing up. We're standing up not just for fair trade with you in America. We're standing up for democracy, something you're not doing. United States not standing up for democracy. Who'd have believed it? I would never have believed this in my life. But now we realize America, very shallow. Very, very shallow. And now, very, very dangerous. Dangerous for everybody. I'm happy to be Canadians. I know we are the only country that is standing firm against the United States and is willing to try to battle them back in this trade war. Other countries have realized that Mr. Trump can be tricked very easily, and so they're taking that course of trying to trick him into thinking he's done something when in fact he hasn't. Basically, what other countries are doing is giving Mr. Trump something to sell back home. That's about it. And he's quite the salesman. I think he could sell anything. Well, he's trying to sell all these trade deals that don't exist. And he's trying to sell the idea that Canada is somehow a problem for the United States. All of it is a house of cards built on illegal actions by the President of the United States, American illegal actions under the American Constitution. The President has no authority over international relations. He's just supposed to do as he's told from Congress. Your system is upside down. The tail is wagging the dog in your system. The President is not the king. Your Congress, both houses, are supposed to be the pinnacle of your democracy, not the President. He's just got a job to do. He should do as he's told. But for crying out loud, you've got it all turned around upside down and backwards now. In fact, your Congress, does it even exist anymore? I don't even know if it exists. It's all down to one guy. One guy. One guy with stupid ideas. We're all going to pay a price. But don't worry about Mr. Trump. He'll be okay. Thanks a lot for watching.